Good morning. Number one question today you see in the triangle ABC, the angles are given by 35 degree, 55 degree, and x, and it is denoted by y. So, what is the measurement of x and y? X equal to 90, y equal to 90. Okay, so first you solve that by the angle sum property x plus 35 degree plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. Yes or no? X equal to 180 minus 35 plus 55. So 180 minus 90 degree, which is 90 degree. So value of x is 90. Okay. Then angle x plus angle y is equal to 180. That is linear pair. Then y equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90 degree. Okay. So angle x is 90 and angle y is 90. Clear? Yes or no? Next, number two question. Question number two. That you see a triangle. It is given by 2x and it is 35 degree and these sides are equal. So what is the value of x? Suppose name it triangle ABC and it is D point. The angle A is 2x and DBC angle is 35 degree. You find what is the value of x. Speak me. And the three sides are equal. That AD side is equal to BD side is equal to CD side. How to calculate x? Speak me. As the AD side is equal to BD side, that BD side is equal to AD side, that means DAB angle is equal to DBA angle. Yes or no? Yes or no? Because the sides are equal, their front angle also equal. So this angle is 2x. Then speak me. As BD side is equal to CD side, that means the DBC angle is equal to DCB angle. So this angle is also 35 degree. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now you see in triangle ABC the three angle, that means angle A plus angle B plus C is equal to 180 degree. The property is angle sum property. Okay. Then angle A is 2x and B is 2x plus 35 plus C is 35, which is 180. Then 4x plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. 4x is equal to 180 minus 70, which is 110. Then x equal to 110 divided by 4, which is 27.5 degrees or no? So the measurement of x that 27.5 degree. Okay, clear or not? You write it. All of you write it. Okay, complete. Again, you see that first you see that ABD triangle. This triangle you see as AD side is equal to BD side. So this angle is 2x and this angle is 2x. That means AD is equal to BD. And then in the triangle BDC, that CD side and BD side equal. So this angle is 35 and C angle is 35. Then in the whole triangle ABC, angle A plus B plus C is 180. Then angle A is 2x, B is 2x plus 35 and C is 35 is equal to 180. And by simplifying this equation, you find the value of x. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. Number three question, that here is a right angle triangle and the right angle is at Q. That option is answer. Triangle is PQR. PQR triangle, and the sides are given by A, B and C. A, B, C are the sides of the right angle triangle. So speak me, which one is correct? That C square plus A square is equal to B square. B square plus A square is equal to C square. B square plus C square is equal to A square. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 0. Which option is correct for the PQR right angle triangle? Option number 1 is correct. That, so you explain me how option number 1 is correct. That you know from the Pythagoras theorem that in a right angle triangle, that the side in front of the right angle is the hypotenuse and it is the longest side of the right angle triangle. Yes or no? And from Pythagoras theorem that we know that h square is equal to p square plus b square. So here h is b and base is a and perpendicular height is c. So that b is longest side of the right angle triangle. So b square is equal to a square plus c square. That is option number 1 is correct. That c square plus a square is equal to b square. Okay, understand or not? Okay, next question you do, that is, see next number 4. Here A, B, C triangle and D, C, D, E triangle. And it is the right angle at B and E. AB side is equal to BC side, CE side is equal to DE side. Okay, then speak me, here the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDE by the property of a dash. Options are RHS, option 2 angle side angle, option 3 side angle side and side. Which option is correct for the congruence of the triangles ABC is congruent to triangle CDE? Understand the question and speak me the answer. Angle side. That you see RHS and someone speak that side angle side. Okay. So which one is correct? Okay. So you explain me how you apply this property to show the two triangles are congruent. So here you see in triangle ABC and triangle CDE. In this triangle, two triangle, you compare the parts of the triangles. So first you compare that AB side is equal to DE side. Yes or no? So you write it that AB side is equal to DE side. Okay? And angle B is 90 degree, angle E is 90 degree. So angle B is equal to angle E. Then BC side is equal to CE side. BC is EC side equal. BC is equal to EC. So you get the three conditions: side, angle, side. Here side, angle, side. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDE by the property of side, angle, side. Here the hypotenuse is not equal and not given. So the two triangles congruent by the property of side, angle, side. Okay.